For ages now, we've been the manual laborers doing the heavy lifting of moving data from app A to app B. But as of 2026, the era is officially over. Let's get to it. Imagine this. You get an email about a flight. You copy the flight number to block out the time. You open a ride-sharing app to schedule a pickup. For the last decade, we haven't been using technology. We have been the glue holding it together. Right now, your phone is evolving. It's moving from a library that answers questions to an employee that executes tasks and attains goals. We are moving from chatting with AI to AI doing the work for you. So at this point, AI is not taking your job. It's basically doing the job under your supervision, but 10 times faster without you even breaking a sweat. Today, we are going beyond the chatbot. We are talking about OpenClaw large action models, the digital butler that's about to handle your errands while you sleep. If you're an entrepreneur or a tech enthusiast, this isn't just a trend, it's your new competitive advantage. To understand this shift, you need to understand the difference between an LLM and an LAM. An LLM, a large language model, is a brain in a jar. It's brilliant, it's articulate, but it has no hands. It can tell you how to book a flight, but it can't actually reach out and press the buy button. An LAM doesn't just understand words, it understands interfaces. It sees a website or an app just like you do. That is, buttons, fields, drop-downs, and other UI components. When you combine an LAM, that is, a large action model, with a framework like OpenClaw, you get an AI agent. OpenClaw is the open source breakthrough of the year. It's a self-hosted agent that lives on your device, not in a corporate cloud. It's headless, meaning it doesn't need a screen. It runs in the background, connecting your messaging apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord directly to your computer's operating system. You don't prompt OpenClaw, you give it a mission. Amazing, right? Think of it this way. Using a standard AI today is like going to a library. You have to walk in, find the right book, read the information, and then go home and act on it. Using an AI agent is like having a senior intern. You don't tell an intern, open the browser and then email me the result. Nope. You just say, I need to be in Tokyo next Tuesday. Find me a flight under $800 that fits my schedule and book it. And that's it. The intern, or in this case, OpenClaw, figures out the subtasks. It checks your calendar, it browses for flights, it cross-references your preferences, and it only pings you when it needs a final yes or a credit card verification. This is outcome-first technology. The tool disappears, only the results remain. So, how does this actually change your life or your business? First, it saves you time, that is, the micro-task layer. Imagine an agent that monitors your Slack and email. It sees a client, asks for a meeting, checks your activity calendar, drafts a polite response with 3 options, and only notifies you when the client picks one. That's 15 minutes of back and forth deleted from your day's schedule, just from a single task. Imagine how much more time you could save on other tasks. Also, it saves and makes you money. For the entrepreneurs watching, imagine an agent that performs active comparison shopping 24/7. It can monitor the price of a product or an item from an e-commerce shop and hit buy the millisecond the price drops below your target. Or it can trace your bank statements and automatically flag tax-deductible expenses into a spreadsheet, all while you relax and spend some time with your loved ones. It doesn't end there, it solves problems for you too. Got a generic parking ticket? Feed the photo to your AI agent. It can cross-reference local statutes, draft an appeal in your voice, and mail it to the city council, all while you are at the gym. This is what we call agentic sovereignty. You are no longer at the mercy of complex UI elements or components. You are the commander. Now, a lot of you are asking, is this safe? This is why OpenClaw is so important. Unlike big tech agents that want to upload your entire life to their servers or sell a piece of your data to the highest bidder, OpenClaw is designed for local first workflows. This means you can run your agent's brain using OLAMA on your own hardware. Your emails, your files, your passwords stay on your local device. This time, you are not the product, you are the owner. However, we have to talk about the trust layer. We aren't at full autonomy yet. You still need a human in the loop. In 2026, the best agents are the ones that act as proactive suggestors, if I can put it that way. They do the 90% of the legwork, but they stop and ask for your approval before they spend money or send a high-stakes email. This is how you stay in control while scaling your productivity 10 times and more. The ultimate goal of AI isn't to make us spend more time on our screens, it's to make the screens disappear. In the near future, you won't open an app. You will simply have a goal. Your phone will be a portal to a fleet of agents working on your behalf, booking, buying, organizing, and protecting your time and resources. The million-dollar question is, are you going to be the person still clicking the buttons, or you are going to be the one managing the agents? Now, the butler is ready. It's time to put it to work. If you want to see a full tutorial on how to set up OpenClaw locally using your own hardware, let me know in the comments. We are Agentic Digital Services. Do well to support our efforts with a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!